Creating a Facebook page step by step. You'll need to have a Facebook page for almost all of the advertising opportunities Facebook is offering you, so it'll be extremely important for you to apply this step correctly. To create your Facebook page, you can go straight to www.facebook.com/pages/create. As you can see, there are 6 different types of pages you can create inside Facebook. You can use the local business or place if you would like to create a Facebook page for your local business or place. You can see here there are all kinds of categories to choose from. You can use the company, organization, or institution option as well. There are many categories to choose from. A very popular one is the brand or product, which is commonly used by online marketers and mostly for independent professionals. Take a look at the categories to see if this one meets your needs. The artist, band, or public figure is especially used, as its name states, for an artist, band, or public figure looking to create a big following. You'll also have several categories to pick from. Entertainment is another one used by books, films, magazines, TV shows, etc. The cause or community is used for something of your choice, for example, a topic in particular. This is the one you can use to create a huge following for something you and millions of other people consider important. This is the option we'll use as an example. My intention here is to create a Facebook page about diabetes care. Your question might be, how did you come up with that topic? Well, something you need to be aware of before creating a Facebook page on your topic is making sure that topic is hot on Facebook. There is a way to find that out by using the Facebook search bar. As you can see, this is an extremely simple yet powerful way to find out how hot any topic on Facebook is. Numbers speak for themselves. Each number represents an action made by a single user for the topic or matter. To make sure you're going in the right direction, just research as many different topic ideas as you want before deciding to create a Facebook page. Now we are ready to continue. Let's click on Cause or Community and type your hot topic as the name, together with other attractive words, and click on Get Started. You'll then be able to set up the About section. Facebook advises you to add a description and website to improve the ranking of your page in searches, which is something really important to consider. Below, you'll be able to add a few sentences to tell people what your page is about. This will help it show up in the right search results as well. You'll be able to add more details later from your page settings. Right here in the website label, you'll be able to add not only a website, but you can also decide to add Instagram, Twitter, or other social media links. After you are done, click on Save Info. You can then upload or import what is known as the profile picture. For the profile picture, Facebook advises that your page's profile picture displays at 160 by 160 pixels on your page on computers, 140 by 140 pixels on smartphones, and 50 by 50 pixels on most feature phones. Must be at least 180 by 180 pixels, will be cropped to fit a square, is located 16 pixels from the left and 176 pixels from the top of your cover photo on computers, is located 24 pixels from the left, 24 pixels from the bottom, and 196 pixels from the top of your cover photo on smartphones. You'll then be invited to add your Facebook page to your Favorites section so you can access it quickly. Finally, you'll be invited to set up the Preferred Page Audience, which is something absolutely awesome. As you can see, Facebook really wants you to build a 100% targeted audience around your Facebook page. And for that, Facebook has created this option right here. You'll need to tell Facebook about the people you'd most like to connect with. Anyone can find your page, but Facebook will do its best to put your page in front of the people who matter to you most. You can set up 5 of the greatest targeting options: locations, age, gender, interests, and language. We advise you do thorough research for your chosen topic. You must be sure you'll target the right locations, ages, genders, interests, and languages so you can really succeed with this feature. Alexa.com can be a great help with this. You can research the greatest sites ever related to absolutely any topic. You just need to enter your topic, wait for the top pages to appear, and click on any one of them. You can see that the top site for the diabetes topic gets the most traffic from the United States. So, there you have your location. Going down, you'll see the audience demographic, where you'll easily notice which gender is most interested in this topic. There is not an age here, but you can guess it by taking a look at where those ladies usually read the content of this website, which is at their home. For that alone, it could be ladies 50 plus years old, but also could be some of them read at work. Also, there are some graduated, so 35 years and older could be a good estimate. For the language, you can just pick the United States language, which is U.S. English. If you visit the site, see if the information there will help you in the Interests section. Going back to the Preferred Page Audience section, I'll pick United States. For age, I'll pick 35 and older. For gender, I'll target only women, and for interests, I'll target all topics related to it. I can see something related to the page I found on Alexa. Finally, for the language, I'll pick U.S. English. Your site is finally set up. The very last thing you should do is to complete your page info up to 100%. For the profile picture, Facebook advises that your page's cover photo displays at 828 pixels wide by 315 pixels tall on your page on computers and 640 pixels wide by 360 pixels tall on smartphones. Doesn't display on feature phones. Must be at least 399 pixels wide and 150 pixels tall. Loads fastest as an sRGB JPEG file that's 851 pixels wide, 315 pixels tall, and less than 100 kilobytes. Finally, I can't finish this video without doing two very important things: helping you post your first post and connect your Instagram account. For creating your post, I strongly advise you take a look at the Facebook Ads Guide at www.facebook.com/business/ads-guide. Here, you'll be able to take a look at some very important advice to create the right type of post for your page post engagement objective. There are recommendations for Facebook photo, Facebook video, Facebook text, and also for advertising your post on Instagram. I will simply create a post inviting people to my website. I already tested this post to make sure it works for the page post engagement objective, and it will appear on Instagram without a problem. Your situation might be different, so I advise you go through the advice shown in the Ads Guide. To add your Instagram account, go to the Settings area, Instagram Advert, and you'll be able to add your Instagram account. That should be also related to your audience. Well, I think that was a pretty clear explanation on how to set up your Facebook page step by step.